Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this and today we are gonna learn about a new function which is gonna be, I already chose that, which is in here. Yeah, project points. Actually this is also it explains here projects 3D points into an image plane, which is from the naming also you can understand this is kind of making projection. There are some 3D points around, then it's just projecting those points into the 2D frame, 2D plane, an image plane. So basically it's doing this. This is important if you want to represent your 3D points into inside a plane, which is otherwise for 3D visualization you need different kind of tools like VT-key, but in this case you can represent them in 2D plane. Yeah. And the usage is quite simple, which is taking the object points, 3D points, rotation vectors, transition vectors, camera matrix, distance coefficients, and as result is just giving the image points as output. And since we already have some of all of these parameters, we can easily check this function how it looks like. And here this is the code from the previous video. Lastly, we checked about the frame axis, which is we don't need for this one. And here what we can do is we can directly call this project points function, and as input we can already give our points 3D, which we already have a 3D points inside this vector. We can give it, and we already have rotation vectors, and we have transition vectors. Oops. Okay, and also we have camera matrix. Yeah, also we have distance coefficient, distortion coefficients, and also the next we need to give the image points. Since these are gonna be in the 2D, we can give a vector like this. Also we are already drawing the circles which is giving input 2D, so not to overlapping, I'm commenting out here. And we can create a new array which is 2D points, projected points, maybe projected 2D points. Okay, and this one we are gonna give as output into this function. And next we can do a similar method, just maybe copy here into here, just to visualize our new points in the 2D plane, which is gonna be projected 2D points. And that's all. I think we are gonna draw inside image. It's normal, so as the source image it should be, and let's run it. Okay, this one we are interested, and these are the points which is at the beginning we gave as input 2D points into the calibration functions, and at the end we got some points 3D, and these points 3D are reverted into the 2D plane again by projecting, and now they are drawn correctly. And this function actually works like this. You can give different kind of real 3D images, and you can represent them inside the 2D plane with the help of this project points function, which is quite useful. So in this video basically we just learn how this project points working. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.